Honestly, I came into college knowing that I'm here to get an education, ultimately, and I really had to keep that in perspective the whole time I was here, and to be able to keep up with my academics and still see success on the track was probably the best thing I could have asked for throughout my entire career. So,
academics, they were a big part of my college career, that's for sure. When I came in as a freshman, I wasn't the big academic type, but after my first semester, I only got one B+, so that kind of made me mad. Ever since then, I've been working really hard in the classroom, and as time went on, academics just became more and more important to me, that I saw how well I was doing.
One thing I've learned is that if I set a goal, there's nothing that'll stop me in achieving that, and maybe I won't achieve it in the way that I thought I would, but there's definitely lessons learned that I can take, and I can learn from my mistakes. And for me, that is one valuable thing that is just huge, and you can apply to every aspect of life. So.
It was the best 5 years of my life, that's for sure. Everything that I could contribute to my success has come through Edinboro in some way, whether it was the cross-country team or health physical education or Army ROTC. Just everything combined just made it a great experience for me.
It's been a journey, it's not one experience or the other. It's all of them combined have made me someone that I'm proud to be, and honestly, I wouldn't be who I am today without my experience on the track and field team. So,
just all those life experiences, you can just relate them later on in life, and just you're gonna run across something, and you're gonna think back to your college career, and you'll be like, what did I do in college that makes me ready to do this? In track and cross country, we would just do some ridiculous workouts like Chicken Hill and Stancliffe. Running halfway up Chicken Hill, it was pretty bad, but since you were able to do that, you can pretty much do anything. As well as in the classroom, there were some assignments you just felt like just extremely overwhelmed, but you pushed through and you succeeded with those. So anything in life, you just think back to being a student athlete, and you're going to be able to do it.